skin tight, to laughter and long nights we left behind. We were young, wild under open skies, chasing horizons with